YouTube is no longer just a site for viewing videos. It has become one of the most popular sites for making fame and thus making money. Video has even become an effective marketing tool that helps you innovate in your business and attract more customers. We will explore a number of key principles for a successful creative strategy that enables you to produce compelling videos and creative content for YouTube, which have a huge impact on your audience, can attract more viewers, and let them come back for more. 1. Create video content that touches the emotions of your audiences. Make funny videos or stimulate a sense of kindness, excitement, or nostalgia. Videos that provoke a strong emotional response are more effective. Always show your audience how you care and ask yourself why they will watch your videos. 2. Shareable content. What is the best YouTube content to make? Always provide value with your content. I see a lot of my clients create videos for themselves that nobody wants to watch. Self-promotion or self-centered videos will get you nowhere. Apply the WIFM principle, which is what's in it for me. If your audience didn't get any helpful information or a piece of advice and they are not engaged, then don't blame them. Blame your content. 3. Be yourself. Be different. Don't imitate other YouTubers. Think of creative ways of how to be different. It's a good idea to watch closely your niche and know all your competitors and how they create good and engaging content. Try to be unique and create better content than your competitors. 4. Have a content plan. Failure to plan is a plan to fail. Plan your content ahead of time. Whenever you find a new idea, write it down, so you'll always have fresh ideas that come to your mind. 5. Put yourself in the shoes of your audiences. Discover what your viewers are searching for and find the most engaging videos on YouTube. 6. Make your video content discoverable. YouTube is one of the largest search engines in the world. Many come to it to search for videos on all topics. You can find videos of topics with the highest search volume in search results. You can create evergreen videos like the popular How to Do videos because it's one of the most engaging videos. You should learn how to optimize your YouTube channel for views and subscribers. Do your keyword research and start the YouTube's SEO process to optimize your videos in terms of titles, description, and video tags. You can use video optimization tools like TubeBuddy and vidIQ. Links can be found below the video. 7. Follow latest trends. Use Google Trends to identify the types of content your audience is looking for and what type of YouTube videos get viewed most. 8. Have a system in place. Try your best to be a video content machine. Find new ideas and produce as many videos as you can. Make your video editing process simple. It should be a good time for creativity. Thanks for watching, and if you like this video, hit the thumbs up and let us know what you think in the comments below. Build a successful video marketing strategy and grow your business YouTube channel. Do that by subscribing and clicking on the bell icon to be notified whenever we publish a new video so you don't miss a thing. I'll see you on the next video.